Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you want to add this profile picture to, select Edit, mark Add Picture, and now you can either grab photo right now by tapping on camera, you can choose something from your gallery, you can choose one from your Google Photos or illustrations. Let me apply this one. Now you can add some preset if you want to, then customize it however you like. Wakey. Okay, so actually we cannot zoom this one, but we can scroll with those zoomed ones and then click on choose. Tap on save then, and that's it. From now on, this brand new photo is assigned to selected contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.